Hello everyone, welcome to Master Stage. And today we are going to discuss about the Piaget cognitive development theory. And it is meant for all TET examination, CTET. Okay, this is related to child psychology, and this is the only English medium channel in India which teaches about the TET examination. So let us start. Introduction to Jean Piaget. So who is Jean Piaget? He is a Swiss psychologist. Okay, uh, will be they who revolutionized our understanding how child think and learn. Then he researched on cognitive development, the process by which children acquire the knowledge, develop thinking skills, and understanding the world around them. So this is very important. Many times this particular chapter asked in the teacher LBD test across India. So the key concepts we are going to learn from this particular chapter, one is schema, assimilation, accommodation, equilibrium. If you want to, you can take the screenshot of this. What is schema? It is a mental framework or patterns that help organize and interpret information. For example, a child schema for a dog so includes four legs and barking. So it is a mental picture or pattern which is the child recognized. Okay, it is a schema. Then it is a patterns like okay assimilation. So adding to new information to the existing schema. Example, calling all four-legged animals dog. Initially, if the four legs are there for any animal, he says that dog. That is the assimilation. Then accommodation means it is modifying existing schemas when new information doesn't fit. For example, learning that the cats are different from dog. Okay, that is called accommodation. What is equilibrium? Balancing assimilation and accommodation to achieve cognitive stability and understanding. So let us check next. So as per the Jean Piaget, the four stages are there in cognitive development. One is, let me have this here. Here, just the laser point here. Yes, the cognitive for development in four stages. One is sensor motor. Okay, in this stage, the age group is 0 to 2 years. So, what is the key characteristics? Objective permanence, learning through senses. Then pre-occupational, it is 2 to 7 years. So, the key characters are ecocentric, symbolic play, language development. Then concrete operational between 7 years to 11 years. So, it is a logical thinking, conservation, and reversibility. Then formal operational, it is a 11 plus years like abstract thinking, hypothetical reasoning. We'll see each and every stage detailing with the proper examples. So the sensory motor and pre-operational stage. We'll see about the sensory motor stage. It is 0 to 2 years. The key abilities are learning through senses and motor actions. Object permanence develops trial and error learning. So the examples are PKBO games help develop objective permanence. Exam like object permanence means understanding the objective exists even when not visible. Pre-operational, it is 2 to 7 years. Key abilities, symbolic thinking and pretend play. Then egocentrism, own perspective only, lack of conservation understanding. Example, classroom like role play activities, storytelling with properties. Then the children cannot understand others point of view. So this is about the sensory motor and pre-operational stages. Then concrete and formal operational stages like this particular stage from 7 years to 11 years. So the key abilities are logical thinking and concrete object. Then conservation, that is quantity remains the same. Then reversibility and classification. So example, so in concrete operational, that is 7 to 11 years, the math problems using the real objectives and science experiment. So in exam point of view, children can now perform mental operation on concrete objects. So this is about the concrete operational stage. Then formal operation stage, it is above 11 years, that is 11 plus years. So key abilities are abstract and hypothetical thinking, then systematic problem solving, metacognition, the thinking about things, right? Then classroom example, debates, hypothesis, hypothesis testing, algebra. Exam, like here, adolescent can think about possibilities and abstract concepts. So the classroom applications and teaching strategies are like active learning. So it provides hands-on experience and concrete material for children to explore, discover concepts. Then stage appropriate teaching, match teaching methods to the children's cognitive stage, use concrete example before abstract concepts. Then discovery learning, so encourage exploration and problem solving rather than direct instruction. Let children construct knowledge. Here teacher as a facilitator, teaches guides and creating environment that challenge existing schemas and promote cognitive growth. So what is the merits and limitations for the Jean Piaget merits? It is a child-centered approach and it is a stage-wise explanation. And third one, practical applications. Fourth one is the scientific basis. The limitations are it ignores the social factors. It is a rigid stages. So underestimate the abilities and limited scope. Okay. So here Piaget versus Vygotsky. So the Piaget is the children learn independently through discovery and exploration, where Vygotsky children learning in social. Okay, children can learn through interaction with others. The role of language. So Piaget says that language develops through the it reflects cognitive development. Vygotsky says that language is crucial for cognitive development. So thought develops through language. Then teacher's role. Piaget says that teacher as a facilitator and provide the environment for the discovery. And Vygotsky says that teacher as a guide, actively scaffolding learning within zone of proximal development. So what you have to remember here, sensorimotor stage, that is 0 to 2 years, and pre-operational 2 to 7 years, then concrete 7 to 11 years, formal 11 to 11 plus years. The four terms you have to remember: schema, assimilation, accommodation, and equilibration. So like classroom ideas, use hands-on activities uh, and matching to the development stages, encourage discovery learning. So here the Piaget emphasized that children are active learners who construct knowledge through experience. So teacher should be a teacher should provide age appropriate activities that challenges and extend thinking. So this is about the Jean Piaget. Do subscribe and share with your friends so that you're going to get everything in English language. So in order to have this particular PPT, you can download Master's Teach, where you can have this. Thank you. All the best for your coming examination.